So today's video, I'm gonna be doing a screenshot of the guy and then putting on my wallpaper.
We're gonna be exploring the new map. No, like everybody has seen it, and you'll see when we get there. Okay.
We'll be exploring. I know.
Okay. Everybody, come here. Everybody, come here. So we're gonna be.
YouTube channel?
I died. Miller a Manor _VR. So we're gonna be playing with his friend and his brother, and the new sponsor for today is blue guy. Yeah, blue guy right here. He's gonna be our new Dinky Bob. Okay.
I want to bleach in your eyes.
Come on, guys. Come on. Let's go, guys. Come on.
I want to bleach in your eyes.
You guys, ditch in my eyes?
What? I'm gonna get canceled.
Shut up, bro. You smell like Bluetooth.
What?
Hey, I want to put urine in your eyes. I want to put bleach in your eyes.
Bro, what'd you stop, bro? Sorry, because I can't show this.
Wait, can you put this in the video?
What you mean?
Can you put this in the video?
It's Miller and _VR.
Hold for me, baby.
Come on, guys, get ready, guys. Come on, get ready.
Wait. This is what you're gonna see every next day.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Help!
You're gonna need an umbrella.
Wait. I'll tell you what you need. Wait, look at me. I'll tell you what you need. You need it. Look. I need an umbrella. Take him out, boy.
Hey, yo, Isaac, can you give me an umbrella? And we don't got that unlocked, and me is
y'all ain't seen anything.
You suck, bro. Shut your mouth.
I'll be waiting for you guys over there, right? I'll be waiting for you guys, right?
2025. I'll be waiting for you, Orange.
Wait, Isaac, wait! I don't even know how to get there, bro. Chill.
Okay, follow me.
No, my rocket.
Wait, no. I have to catch it. Okay, you. So,
yeah.
Do you see? Come here. Come inside the black and then come out. Do you see a little glitching pixel? Do you see a little glitch?
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, so there's gonna be water, so you're gonna fly up and then turn to it. All right.
Okay.
I missed it!
Stupid game!
I'm sorry, guys. We kind of missed it, so we're gonna respawn and go over there again.
You should've. Hey, yo, bro.
Find the big white abyss.
Bro, look. Hey, yo, help me!
Alright, guys, now we're gonna respawn and we're gonna go back to there again. Hey, guys, I'm gonna come back.
Okay. I'm gonna go down, bro. I'm gonna go like the water. No, that's what your dad said.
Well, I need to make sure I don't.
But when am I gonna die? When am I gonna die, bro? Keep going.
Hey, gang, I'm coming back, gang. Cause I always come back, gang.
It's all your fault. That's a big map, bro.
I'm here, gang.
Yo, what's goody? Yo.
Don't not kill me.
Alright. If you say so.
Alright, guys, so this is a new map. It's gonna come probably next update. Sure. So this is the sound machine. This is probably mines. That's text tree, obviously. A forest, forest. I don't know what this is gonna be. I have no idea.
Yo, orange.
Yeah, it was good.
I got a girlfriend.
Yo, is she hot?
Don't touch her. She do push-ups. That's how I know she's flat.
Okay, like.
Stay away from my girl. She's from the yard.
So, there's gonna be a reference right now. I'm not gonna say what reference it is from, but y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. You better not kill me with that grenade.
Okay.
Yeah, you know the reference. You know. Yeah, you know.
No, my girl.
Ha. So this is probably gonna be like spawn maybe.
Yo, skeleton.
Probably not.
I got a girlfriend. Bro, how many of them umbrellas?
This is probably gonna be shot.
How'd you buy a battle?
Look at the Shrek busted cube.
Hey, yo,
No!
Damn! Ah!
You monkey!
I defended all of that.
What the hell?
What do you got? Really? My brother? Brother! Wait.
What?
Brother!
No. What are you doing? I have different eyes, so I love to be you, and I'm cooler than you. Different color eyes. Bro, what are you doing?
No, I'm not! More bluer than you!
Get out of here.
Shut your ass up. Hey, bro,
Oh
whoa.
God, bro. I'll tickle your pickle for a nickel.
What's up,
Bro,
guys?
shut.
No!
Check my I'm gonna put an ugly. Man, I'm about to be the bro, this outfit, bro. I'm better. Hey, yo.
Ew, you
Hey,
black?
yo, bro.
I hate black guys.
Hey, yo. You guys, bro, on drugs. Bro,
Look at your eyes!
Alright, guys, this is all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, everybody say the yeah! Everybody say the yeah! Everybody say the yeah! Everybody say the yeah! Everybody say the yeah!